Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Arunachal Pradesh. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through email or applied through SMS. For applying in person, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office. They have to obtain the application form from the office and fill it up with all the necessary information. Documents that are needed for completing this procedure is mentioned under the required documents section of this page. Needed document is Aadhaar card. The applicant must make sure to carry both photocopies and original of the Aadhaar card while visiting the office. Once the application form is completed, the photocopy of the Aadhaar has to be attached with the application form and it has to be submitted at the office. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the application is submitted, the concerned authorities will process the application and then the link of completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. This entire process will be completed within a week. For applying through email, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office website, which is official. Under the contact us option of the website, the applicant must check for the official email address. The applicant have to compose an email along with the mutual fund number and Aadhaar number requesting the concerned officer to link the Aadhaar card with the respective mutual funds. Then the applicant has to attach the scanned virtual copy of their Aadhaar card along with the email and then click on send option. There is no fee for this procedure. After receiving the application, concerned authority will check the submitted application and the document set. If all are in place, the application will be accepted. Then the application will be processed further and all the updates, the application status and link process completion will be sent via SMS or as a reply to the same email. This entire process can be completed within a week. For applying through SMS, the applicant must reach out to the mutual fund office through SMS. They have to type a message in the format of ADRLNK space and the applicant PAN number space and the Aadhaar space Y. They have to send the SMS to +91 921 299 3399. The officer will check the process by the given Aadhaar number and all the updates on the application status and link process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. There is no fee for linking an Aadhaar card to mutual funds. This entire process can be completed within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.